Hello everyone. It is bedtime here now. So I just finished washing and I don't have anything on my face. So pardon my pimples. Got some pimples right here. You can hear the background. My kid is watching something on YouTube. I forgot. I would like to say that I made a Meety app, and I joined it recently, maybe 5 days ago. So uh, if you guys wanted to chat with me, you can find me there at Kara. I'm not sure how to find someone there that you know. I'm not sure about it. So it's not you can copy a link or something to share it on your to your subscribers or viewers, but I guess you could just try. But yeah, can hear my kid. I don't normally comb my hair with a hairbrush because I'm losing a lot of hair since since I since giving birth, or since ever since I couldn't even remember. But yes, I'm still losing lots of hair. I am surprised, but I still have more left. So I just want to do a little talk and tell you about the Meety app. So this is how I sleep normally, just just sleeveless, or sometimes I wear a shirt. Wait, my back is itchy. Okay, guys. Thank you all guys for watching me. I'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you're just new to this channel, and you can join me on my Ko-Fi page. Thank you.